All right, everybody, here's your core bites number 147. The first one says how many yards are in 5 meters, and that's great, guys, because we're doing measurement right now. So we're going to be doing the customary system and also, as this would be, the metric system. So meters would be metric, okay? So how many yards are in 5 meters, okay? So you know that 3 feet make 1 yard, and that would be the customary system. So for this, we're just going to kind of have to estimate. So yards, which are customary, meters, metric. So they're not identical, but they're similar. Okay. So we're going to say about 5 yards would make 5 meters. About 5. Okay. Number 2, what is 7,045,704 rounded to the nearest thousand? Okay? So you're going to have to look for the thousands place. So that would be right here. Okay? So the 5 is going to talk to the 7. The 7 is going to tell the 5 to go up to a 6. And then all of the other numbers would become zeros. Okay? Here it says a 5. That's not going to work. Here it's totally non-existent. That's not going to work. Here the 5 became a 6. So that is your best answer. For number 3, order the decimals from least to greatest, smallest to largest. So you've got 7, 3, 0. Don't let the 9 confuse you because you got to look at the ones that are in the same spot. Okay, so 0 would be the smallest. So that would be 9 hundredths. Then you'd have 35 hundredths. Then you would have 7 tenths. Because really there's a 0 there. So if you look at it, that'd be 9 pennies, 35 pennies, 70 pennies. Okay? For the next one, we're using the protractor. We're going to see what the measurement of this acute angle is because it's less than 90. So if you look, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So that would be 50 degrees for that angle. And then your last one, sketch the shape and draw a line of symmetry. So for this one, you would just draw it either this way or this way, and you're good for your symmetry.